I want to start this video by showing you guys an example of a completed story map. A story map is built around a map that you create in ArcGIS, but it can also include text, legends, photos, and videos to provide additional details and context. For our example story map, we have created sections on the project history, the map legend, bookmarks for Clarksville and Nashville, Tennessee, and our contact information. There are multiple templates to choose from when adding maps. For this example, we have chosen the sidecar template, which you can see here. With the sidecar template, you can slide from one map directly to the next, which you will see as I scroll through all of our additional details for Clarksville, Tennessee, directly into our bookmark for our Nashville, Tennessee map. And you can see that the Nashville bookmark does not yet contain any data points for community resources because we have not yet collected data for the city. You can also see some of the text that we added for additional information. This is not something that we could have easily included in the original web map. You will need to use the map that you created in the previous steps to build your own story map. To find your saved map, click on Content in the ArcGIS menu. Here you will see some of the previously created maps. As you can see, I have a variety of different versions of web maps and story maps for this project. And for the story map that we create in this video, I'm going to use the most recent version of our web map on resources for students experiencing financial insecurity. From this page, I can continue to edit the map by clicking on Open in Map Viewer. To create a story map, I need to click on Create Web App and StoryMaps. This is what a blank story map looks like. As you can see, the map has defaulted to our Clarksville bookmark. The design tool in the upper menu allows us to change the look of the map. For example, I can change the cover to the option titled Side by Side, and then I can add an image. I can turn on the navigation option to create a navigation bar, and I can also change the map's background colors. On the cover, I can add a title, and a brief description of what content will be included in the map. By hovering my mouse over the map, I can change the display of the map. I can also click on the edit icon to change which bookmark and layers are displayed. For example, I can turn off the transit routes for Clarksville by hovering over transit routes and clicking on the I option. And then I can turn it back on. I can also change which bookmark is displayed by clicking on the bookmark option and selecting one of the other bookmarks that we have created for this project. If I click on options, I can update the map configuration by adding a search bar and a legend. When you have finished customizing your map, click Place Map. If your story map will include more than one map, you can add immersive features such as a slideshow, a sidecar, or a map tour. For this example, I'm going to select sidecar with a docked panel. Sidecars can contain maps, images, and videos. I'm going to add maps for the Clarksville and Nashville bookmarks. These are both saved under My Maps in the Resources for Students Experiencing Financial Insecurity map that we made in our previous video. And once again, I'm going to click on the bookmark icon. For the first map, I'm going to use Clarksville. And to add a second map, click on the plus icon in the sidecar menu. And we'll repeat the following step or the previous steps. In the docked panels, you can add links, images, videos, or text. If you have turned on navigation for the story map, it's important to add headings when appropriate. To add headings, click Add Text and then change paragraph to heading. Oops. And you can see our headings have appeared in the navigation menu. I will also delete the original map because I have included it in our sidecar. You can continue to add additional information, links, images, or videos to your map as necessary to provide the appropriate information and context. And when you are finished, you can publish your map by returning to the top of the screen, clicking Publish, setting your share level to private or public, and then hitting Publish Story. And here is our published map.